George's mother. Nice to meet you.
I am the vet.
I am the cat. Meow, meow, meow.
I am the dog. Quack, quack, quack.
I am the pig. Oink, oink, oink. I am the cow. Moo, moo, moo. Bark, George. Up, up, up. Bark, George. Meow. Now, George. Cat go meow. Dog go up. Now, bark, George. Quack, quack. Now, George. Dog go quack, quack. Dog go up. Now, bark, George. Oink. Now, George. Pig go oink. Dog go up. Now, bark, George. Now, George. Cow go moo. Dog go up. Now, let's go to see the vet.
I am the better vet in the world. What can I do for you, madam?
My little dog can go up. Meow, meow, quack, quack, oink, oink, and moo.
Don't worry, let me try it hard job.
Meow.
Well, something in your tummy.
Pull it out, pull it out. Wow, a cat. It's me. Meow.
Bark again, George. Quack, quack. Well, something in your tummy.
Pull it out, pull it out. Wow, a dog.
It's me. Quack, quack. Bark again, George.
Oink.
Well, something in your tummy.
Pull it out, pull it out. Wow, a pig. It's me. Oink.
Bark again, George. Well, something in your tummy.
Pull it out, pull it out. Wow, a cow. It's me more.
Bark again, George.
Up, up, up. Thank you, you vet.
You're welcome.
Thank you, cat. No problem.
Thank you, George. Don't need it.
Thank you, pig. My friend George. Thank you, cow. No big deal. Ladies and gentlemen, may I have your attention, please? Now, back again, George.
Hello.